Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp application on your CAD S75. So I'm gonna show you the two methods. The first one is by opening the Google Play Store, then look for the WhatsApp application, and you can see I have one WhatsApp Messenger. This is the main app, but slide a little down and look for the WhatsApp Business. Install it also, and by this way I have two WhatsApp applications on my phone. The second method, go to the place like before and look for the dual space app. Choose one of them. I previously installed that one, so we can launch it and click agree and continue. Now tap on the allow and click on the WhatsApp icon and hold for the starting automatic key, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on our phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.